Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good, and in this video I am going to compare KIIT University Bhubaneswar and SRM University Chennai. Not only Chennai but Amravati, Haryana, because SRM is having 3 to 4 campuses, multiple campuses in fact, because in Chennai only they are having 3 to 4 campuses. Other than Chennai they are having in SRM, Amravati and Haryana, whereas KIIT Bhubaneswar is having only single campus, that is in Bhubaneswar. So I am talking regarding KIIT, that is Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. There are more colleges of similar name. I am not going to discuss on that. I am talking regarding Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology situated in Bhubaneswar, Pattia. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, I'd like to introduce myself. I am an IT guy and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, interview experience and all. So first of all, before starting the video, I'd like to tell you that if you want to know regarding a fair comparison between KIIT and SRM, do watch this video till end. You will be getting a lots of insight that what is better for you and whether you should choose KIIT or SRM. Because choosing on one dimension, there are multiple dimensions that should be taken care whenever you are choosing any of the similar kind of college. So first of all, I would like to give you one disclaimer that all these my views are of my personal opinion, okay, and also I am comparing the kind of colleges which are almost similar. The thing is that one college is little older and another one is little newer. In fact, if I am talking about CSC of KIIT is very better. Means CSC is very good in KIIT. In fact, lots of and also in SRM also. But the things I will be talking difference, what exactly the difference is. Like SRM, let's talk about KIIT. KIIT is first of all situated in Bhubaneswar. Okay, Bhubaneswar, it's a kind of a growing college and yes, have make a benchmark in terms of placement throughout the years. Like they are having a good connection in Big Four, good corporate relation with IT, service industry like Accenture, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant and all. After that, not only this, they are not only limited to all these things but also having a tie-up with various startups like HighRadius and all. So they are giving you a multiple opportunity and multiple dimension to explore and grow yourself. You are getting a multiple opportunity to let's start your career. Okay, whereas in SRM, if I am talking about, they are also not कहीं से भी वो पीछे नहीं है. They are also almost similar to KIIT. In fact, more number of small size companies are also visiting SRM because it is situated near Chennai and Bangalore, where you will be getting much more options in small companies like IT service Big Four सब आएंगे उसके अलावा if I'm talking about, there are more startups that are visiting that college. Okay, because it is situated in the hub where it is surrounded by lots of startups in Chennai and as well as in Bangalore. So in that time you will be getting more opportunities, but it depends. Okay, KIIT also, it's not like that. You will be each and every opportunity, big opportunity that you will be getting in SRM, you will be getting in KIIT, like whether it be Deloitte, PwC, EY, KPMG, all the Big Four are coming. In fact, service IT industry, if I'm talking about both the colleges, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Infosys, Capgemini, all these are coming to both the colleges. In fact, if I'm talking about startup, the number are high in SRM as it is situated in there. But yes, KIIT is also having different perks. Like in KIIT, they are tied up with multiple startups, giving you an internship just in your 4th year, starting of your 4th year or ending of your 3rd year in 6th semester. You will getting an internship or also paid internship. Okay, because I know people from my batches who got paid internship in their last semester and after that a PPO offer. So this was the scenario and that is very different. Very few colleges are giving this in-house internship opportunities with multiple startups, tying up with a multiple startup which are paying literally good. Yes, the number of startups coming in SRM is little more, but the kind of package they are paying is little less. Okay, now if you are telling that what about big giant, you talked about service IT, Big Four, but you are not talking about big giant. So I would tell you, see, if you are capable enough, KIIT will be also giving you an opportunity to sit in multiple companies like Amazon and all, and similar thing you will be getting in SRM also. There is no doubt, but the thing is that it totally depends upon the culture you belong to. The better the culture, the better the culture will be, the more implementable you will be, and the more skill set you will be having in order to crack all those companies. So I would be telling you, like, it's not like your KIT will decide you or which company you are going to, or SRM will decide you that which company you will be going. It will be totally your skill set. But yes, college matters in terms of opportunity that they are serving you. Like, if in college only you are not getting multiple companies, then your morale will be down and you will be not as good as you will be if your morale will be high. So I would say both the colleges are almost giving you a similar opportunity in terms of placement. But yes, in terms of exposure I am talking about, KIT will be giving you a more exposure. Why I am telling you, see, the crowd in KIT is little less than SRM. SRM में भेड़ बकरियों की तरह भीड़ है. यस, डाइवर्सिटी वाली भीड़ है. लाइक SRM में नॉर्थ इंडिया से भी लोग जाएंगे, साउथ इंडिया से भी जाएंगे, मिड रीजन से भी लोग जाएंगे, ईस्टर्न से भी जाएंगे. वेयर इज इन KIT, the regional, it will be like nearby states, very less people are coming from north, south and all. Yes, it's not like the numbers are zero, but yes, it's negligible, what I can tell. But whereas in SRM, the distribution is like many people are coming from across the India, because it's a kind of an old college and a college in south, and people generally prefer, if they are doing BTech, they prefer that southern state colleges are better in terms of placement, because you know it's surrounded by a startup. You all know all the main reason is like. But yes, KIT is also, if you are taking a CSC in KIT, I would refer, and you belong to a nearby state like Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, all the nearby states, Uttar Pradesh, everything, I would suggest you, no reason that you will be going to, there is no point going to an SRM, because both the colleges are almost similar. Placement will be totally depending upon the scenario or the market scenario. Placement will be totally depending upon the companies intake capacities, and both the colleges will be almost giving you an similar placement experience. In fact, if you are in KIT, the diversity is less. If you want a diversity, people from across the globe, across the India, in fact, KIT is also having an international, but I'm not talking about the small population, I'm talking about the major population. Like, both the colleges may be getting an NRI student also, but I'm talking that if you want people from across the globe, you like a culture, you want to explore the people and want to talk with the people from across the India, SRM you can choose. But yes, if you want, like, it's good, nothing matter much more than the placement. And if you are getting a CSC, if you're really carrying little bit of interest in CSC, or on the other side interest in placement, you can choose KIT University belonging from the nearby state. I am specifying few points why KIT University. Like, if you are choosing in KIT University and you are situated in nearby state, like, you will be getting multiple holidays during your engineering. You can easily travel to your home. You can easily travel to your home during any of the specific events that are going to happen in your home. In fact, you will be getting a similar exposure and experience. Also, in KIT, the number of crowd are little lesser than SRM, so you will be getting more exposure to participate and be the part of multiple events, because KIT is full of event and a very happening college. Throughout the year, there are different things happening across branches, happening across colleges, universities. So you will be getting lots of like fest, like branch technical fest, like cultural fest, and lots of things will be happening, and that will be definitely giving you a more exposure. And in SRM, it's like crowd is much more, and there may be a dominant of South India, so you may not getting that exposure that you can feel in KIT. But it's not like that people are dominating. If you are active participant, you can participate anywhere. But yes, KIT CSC, if you are getting belonging to a nearby state, I would suggest you can take it blindly, because KIT also provide you multiple college options. The thing is that it depends upon you, what you can make it. Amazon is also coming to KIT, but the thing is that the intake is 1 or 2. I have seen Microsoft is also visiting the college, but yes, the intake is 1 or 2. Like that, similar thing also happen in SRM. If crowd is more and people are more capable, they may be getting more options. Okay. Also, the kind of food, if you are belonging to North India, in KIT, it will be very suitable for you. Whereas it will be not suitable in SRM University, because you will be getting a kind of a South Indian food. And yes, I can rate that in KIT, if you are a North Indian or belonging to a nearby state, you will be satisfied with your food, because hostel food jitne hoti hai na, उससे लाख गुना अच्छा आपको मिलने वाला है. So no need to worry in that part. फूडिंग आपकी सॉर्टेड हो जाएगी, आपकी ट्रैवलिंग सॉर्टेड हो जाएगी, एक्सपोजर सॉर्टेड हो जाएगी. इनफैक्ट यू विल बी गेटिंग एन इक्वल प्लेसमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. अब छोटे मोटे मोर कंपनीज आते हैं SRM में, तो ठीक है, दैट डजंट मैटर. इफ यू गेट एन गुड कंपनी इन KIT ऑल्सो, व्हाट्स द मैटर टू थिंक अबाउट दोज. So one thing I would suggest, if you belong to a nearby state, you are getting a circuital CSC branch, I would suggest that you can definitely close your eyes and go, because both colleges are similar. I am not comparing KIT with BIT Pilani. Okay, that सोचना है जाने में. It's totally an individual choice, and yes, you can choose it easily. थोड़ा डाइवर्सिटी में कम मिलेगा, लाइक ज़्यादा लोकल नहीं, मतलब झारखंड बिहार उड़ीसा के लोग मिलेंगे, बट यस ज़्यादा वो इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. एट द एंड यू हैव टू विजिट टू सम ऑफ द ऑफिस आफ्टर 4 years, एंड ओवर देयर द कल्चर विल बी फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द इंडिया. So it totally depends upon you that what you exactly choose. This is my personal opinion, and yes, I would definitely suggest people from nearby that you can choose that. In fact, KIT infrastructure is as per modern, and they are giving you an extreme. The classes are much more modern than SRM, as SRM is older. But yes, all these are not the things to consider. Actually, the things that you should consider is like, if you are getting CSC, getting a good branch belonging to a nearby state, fees are almost similar. In fact, people are giving donations are more in SRM. People actually pay more and get branches over there, so it's not open in KIT. You can see that in KIT, yes, you people get all the branches, but it's not like SRM that you might be seeing a ad right now that direct admission in SRM. You might not be seeing this kind of ad for KIT. So there are some difference. My personal opinion is like, if you belong to a nearby state from north, then in terms of all the points that I have mentioned, KIT is a better option for you, and you can definitely choose it if you are getting a circuital branches. Other branches के लिए मैं कुछ commitment नहीं करूँगा in terms of placements and all. But yes, in CSC, if you are capable enough, all the companies are almost visiting to SRM. बस जो कमी रह जाती है वो स्टार्टअप्स के काउंट में कमी रह जाती है. Many small startups are coming to SRM that you cannot compare in KIT. Rest all the things are fine. I have given an almost genuine experience. If you think you want to add more, if anybody from KIT or SRM is watching this video, do comment the things in the comment box so that people can get an exact idea. If you want to know more about the colleges, you can connect me on my personal space in TopMate. You can book a seat 1-to-1, and yes, we can have a conversation regarding colleges, that which is good for you or not. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour slots are there. You can book with me, and yes, we can discuss over there. Let's keep the video till here. If you think this video was a little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. We'll meet you soon with a new informative content. Tab tak ke liye take care, and all the best for all your upcoming interviews, placement time, onboarding process, joining dates and all.